With its sleek, tall, slender design, the Vittoria gas fireplace easily installs into the smallest wall applications, perfect for kitchens, entranceways, smaller rooms, and corner wall installations. The choice of painted black or hammer-tone pewter facing kits and Victorian ornamental upper and lower insets provides you with different design options, sure to complement discriminating tastes. Napoleon's exclusive nightlight system comes standard, illuminating the logs even when the fireplace is off and adds a warm glow to the room. Cost savings electronic ignition comes standard with the Vittoria and features up to 11,000 BTUs and a 45% flame heat adjustment. Optional decorative sandstone brick panels or radiant porcelain reflective panels add style to any room. And all Napoleon fireplaces come with the President's limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.